to my car, and it's like, ooh, little surprises. At least it's a Wednesday. I'm an Uber Lyft driver, so I see a lot of people having surprises on the side of the road.
It's one of those days today. I don't know. Really?
Monday was terrible. I saw 7 people with wrenches out under their car or replacing a tire.
Really?
Yeah. Mondays and Sundays are like that. Sundays are the worst day to have a mechanical problem because, like, nobody's open.
Yeah.
Lucky to get a tow, let alone a new wheel.
Well, now we have a little bit of advantage. Before we didn't. I mean, if you're gonna call a tow truck guy, good luck. 907-317.
It's definitely a cool day today.
Yeah, it is.
Everyone's wearing sweaters.
All right, POLLASSASCA@gmail.com.
Think it's gonna rain.
We need it.
We do. I heard last year was the driest season in California history.
Yeah.
Which explains why South Pasadena looks so bad with all the burned rubble.
Yes. Oh, you mean Altadena?
Yep, I was over there on Lake Avenue near the Cobb
Altadena
estate, where it's like a jogging trail. Like everything's closed on that road, and they have construction.
Well, my daughter's best friend, they lost everything.
Oh dear.
Altadena fire.
I knew somebody who had just built a new house. Now it's laying everywhere. And construction's taking the rubble away, and they've condemned a few areas just because of rubble just rolling in places.